Hello students, good morning to you all. I welcome you all to the online session of Prime English. Today we are going to study the grammar junction and writing skills. First, we will study the grammar junction of lesson number 2, My Dear Mama. Children, let us read the lines given in your textbook on page number 23. Yesterday, dear Mama, out of your eyes peeped two little boys just my size. Eyes means more than one eye. Eyes is a plural word. Eye means one eye. Eye is a singular word. Similarly, boys means more than one boy. Boys is a plural word. Boy means one boy. Boy is a singular word. Singular means one. Plural means more than one. We add the letter S at the end of the singular words to make them plural. For example, rabbit is a singular word. When we add the letter S at the end of the word rabbit, we get its plural form, that is rabbits. Similarly, book is a singular word. Its plural form is books. If a word ends with letters S, X, CH or SH, its plural is formed by adding ES at the end. Let us see some examples. The first example is glass. Glass is a singular word. It ends with the letter S. So we add ES at the end of the word glass to get its plural form, that is glasses. The second example is box. It ends with the letter X. So we add ES at the end of the word box to get its plural form, that is boxes. Similarly, watch is a singular word. Its plural form is watches. And brush is a singular word. Its plural form is brushes. Children, look at the pictures given in your textbook on page number 24. Here, we have to color the box green if the object in the picture is singular and red if the object is plural. The first picture is that of cars. There are 3 cars. So, we have to color the box red as it is plural. The second picture is that of a tortoise. It is singular. So, we have to color the box green. In the similar manner, you have to solve the remaining part. It is for your homework. Children, few pictures have been given in your textbook on page number 24 and 25. We have to identify whether these pictures are of animals or objects and write down their singular and plural forms. One is done for you. The first picture is that of a bird. Its singular form is bird and birds is its plural form. The second picture is that of a fox, which is an animal. Its singular form is fox, and because it ends with the letter X, we will add ES to make its plural form. So, foxes is its plural form. The next picture is that of a clock. Its singular form is clock and clocks is the plural form. The next picture is that of a bench. Bench is the singular form, and because it ends with the letters CH, we will add es to make its plural form. So, benches is its plural form. The last picture is that of a glass. Glass is a singular form, and because it ends with the letter S, we will add es to make its plural form. So, glasses is its plural form. Now, we will study the last point, that is writing skills. Children, we see many things around us, right? Yes. Here, we have to write a sentence about the things we see around us. We have to use both singular and plural naming words. You can begin your sentences with I see. For example, I see a pen. I see 2 pencils. In the similar manner, you have to write 4 to 5 sentences about the things you see around you. This part is for your homework. Did you get it? Okay, I hope that you all have understood all the concepts very well. Read the lesson twice from your Prime English textbook at your home and stay safe. Thank you.